loving skunk.
I was a cashier. Ringing up groceries is where my grind began. Customers, I line them up and get their items scanned. Grab a cart, get what you need, then homie say goodnight. I hit that barcode with the beam, and you gon' pay the price. I went to the gym, did some squats, and then it's back to the curls. The do-rag, and leave your head wrapped, it'll flatten them curls. Got a BB gun. It's fully loaded. I'm known to squeeze and clap in these pellets, so pick your brain. It's called a thinking cap.
Shit like that.
These fists will send a man to heaven when they land. I said I was a cashier, right? I had to register my hands. I used to run from the thugs that tote chrome and dump heat animate. I was trying to make it home in one piece. Dwayne Wade's my favorite baller. Everyone knows I'm a fan of 3. Feel free to have a debate. Man to man with me. You can't go to my fridge, get food, or pots and pans from me. Clearly you don't belong in my kitchen if you can't stand the heat.